Hi, today in front of me Nokia 230 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So just to change the wallpaper, we should first open the menu and then scroll down to the settings section. Click to OK, tap to display settings and select wallpaper. You could use default wallpaper or photo from your device gallery. Just let's use one from the default wallpapers. Tap to view, click choose, center, fit to display, rotate to left, right. So let's use it on center. Now click to OK. That's done. So I'll just lock the device. And we could see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.